Hello, mabuhay! Naghahanap ka ba ng indoor playground or activities kung saan mag-enjoy ang buong pamilya? Halika, itour ka namin dito sa Super Park kung saan mag-enjoy ang kids, teenagers, young professional at mga young at heart parents. May dalawa nga pala silang branch, isa sa Eastwood Mall, Quezon City na may 21 activities at sa McKinley Taguig City na may 25 activities. Meron din silang fixed schedule for 2 hours and 1 hour. Flash ko na lang dito pati na din ang rate para ma-screenshot nyo. Please also visit their website for more details and house rules. Upon payment, mag-sign ka lang ng waiver at bibigyan ka na nila ng wristband that you will use to enter the park activities and access a locker. Pwede ka magdala ng cellphones and water bottle inside. They will also require grip sacks at worth 80 pesos. Ito ang una naming nakita pagpasok, the rock ball. Sinundan agad namin ang run beat. This is interactive treadmill that makes running more fun by competing with others. Makikita mo din dito kung ilang calories ang nabawas sa'yo. Social, di ba? Dito naman dumiretso sila Daddy Nel sa Super Hope. This is a digital basketball that has timer to check how many scores that you can get. Next naman is the wall climbing. Nag-try kami dito pero ang hirap umakyat bes, kaya pas muna. Binalikan namin sila Daddy Nel at ito, bola pa din ang hawak nila. Pero, solder edition na ng Super Hoop na may timer and scores pa din. This is so perfect for our little kids. Ito naman yung sub-soccer. Players need to sit on the bench, kick the ball, the usual soccer. Next naman is the jump and fun. Nakailang ulit kami dito kasi dito talaga nag-enjoy ang kids namin. Actually, these are all moving obstacles na may timer. This will challenge the kids' physical activities by climbing, jumping, swinging the zip line, hanging, crawling, and enjoying the fun slide. After mapagod, nag-chill muna kami dito sa Adventure City. Meron ditong mini slide, mini ball pit, tunnels, towers, and swing, at may konting challenges din. Perfect din ito for little ones. Katabi lang ng Adventure City at ang Top Wall, chill lang dito kung saan maraming choices ng games. Different games are about coordination, memory games, or speed games. Nag-enjoy dito si Aisan kaya pabalik-balik din kami dito. Nakakatawa din pala itong super loop. Para ka lang nagja-jumping rope. O diba, rhyming yan. Meron ditong level 1 at level 2. Katabi naman ito is yung Super Boxer. Lahat kami nag-try pero si Daddy Nel na lang ang ipapakita ko kasi siya yung pinakamataas yung score. O diba? Ito yung isa sa mga pinaka-favorite part ng kids, yung Valo jump sa trampoline. Meron kasi itong sensor that adds excitement and make the jump more interactive. Marami pala silang trampoline pero hindi na namin na-try dahil walang magbabantay sa kids. Karamihan kasi ng trampoline nila pang adults or teenagers na. Ito naman yung iWall, another interactive game that is more of exercising using hands and legs. This is Valo Arena. Isa ito sa mga pinaka-favorite naming activities. Maximum of 6 players lang pala dito. This is a mixed reality movement or playground with high-quality video games and physical movements. Sobrang nakakaalaw dito at pwede din makuha yung copy ng games after each session. You can send it directly to your email. Naka 4 times yata kami dito with different games. Malapit nang mag-end yung 2 hours namin kaya in-enjoy na lang namin yung natitirang oras sa mga ball activity like Super Ball, ball wall at sa basketball court. Ang sarap bumalik dito kasama pa lalo ang mga friends na kasing age ng mga kids namin. Syempre mas marami, mas masaya. O siya, hanggang dito na lang. See you on our next video. Always remember that a happy place starts with a family. Bye-bye!